So we have just do it. We also have the grid in reverse. We also have this one. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na if ever you do have a plan, pero with the grid in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun, baka kasi yung plano mo, ito yung something na gustong-gusto mo talagang gawin, but yet you're not aware kung may balik ba yun. Okay? So, this time around, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na wag mong isipin yung grade or kung ano yung makukuha mo. If it's something to do with yung paggawa ng mabuti, then it's okay to do it. Okay? So, we have the forget. And we have the 4. So, this is actually nice. Actually, pag 4 dinoble, ibig sabihin nun is, yung mag-isang 4 is home. Pero pag doble siya, meaning din nun is angels. Okay? So, ibig sabihin lang nun that you have to forget or not to keep in mind about people na nag-i-espiya sa'yo. Okay, kasi kahit anong gawin mo, may mga tao talagang very observant. You know, you don't have to care much of what they will think as long as you're doing what is good. Wala rin naman silang masasabi, diba? So, next thing that we have is this one. So, this is actually stairs. Okay, or ladder. We have this one. Okay, so anyway, maganda to kasi kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, ito talaga yung gusto mong, parang hilig mo ba na bagay. So, why not do it, guys? Okay, kasi with regards sa ladder being here, ibig sabihin lang nun, kung ano man yung binabalak mo, hilig mo talaga yun, at dahil yun ay gusto mong gawin, ito ay magpo-push forward, and it can have a potential to grow as well. Okay, so gawin mo lang yun kung ano yung nasa isip mo. We have the last in reverse. So, ibig sabihin nun, hindi magiging kawalan if ever you will try it. Kasi first of all, maybe it's one of your talent or the hobbies that you really love to do. So, push forward about it, okay? As long as you're not hurting anyone, okay lang yun. Okay? And I kinda like feel that you do have issues with regards sa mga tao na magja-judge sa'yo. Because I see it here, but yet God is reminding you to forget about those things na nagbabother sa iyong isipan, you know, kasi malaki rin yung pagsisisi mo kapag may naisip kang gawin tapos hindi mo na push forward. You know, what if dumating yung panahon na hindi mo na yung magawa? So, sana, you know, while you have that passion, that drive in you, do it. Okay, because by this reading, you're seeing na it's a go signal from heaven. Okay, so anyway, that's it with regards to today's message. I hope this may give you some insight and guidance, and God bless all of you.